Good day, mom and sir. Hello, employer. My name is Norjin Labian, and I am 41 years old, and I have a one kid. My kid is 10 years old. She's a girl. So I work here started from October 28, and I'm going to finish my contract until October 28. That's why I'm looking for a new employer. So my experience here as a helper in my present employer, taking care of elderly. I taking care of grandma, and then since she passed away, I taking care again grandpa. And until now, I'm taking care of him. And I have also experienced taking care pet like dog and cat, and how to car wash and gardening. And also I have experienced how to cook a simple dishes, but I'm willing to learn how to cook more about Western food and Chinese food. And then ma'am, if you hire me as your helper, I'm willing to learn more. And I will do my best as your helper, and I will do my responsibility every day. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless.